We're walking on a Sunday in Budapest, capital of Hungary. So we have many people here, no, lining up in this Anantara hotel. I'm walking along the main road. I think Budapest main road, no? This is where we came, no? Ang ganda, very scenic, no? You have old buildings, no? They have their public transport. Galing. Dami talaga, no? It's very historical tong Budapest. Where are the two ba? Ito yung dalawa. We arrived yesterday, no? Mga almost 5 o'clock na from Belgrade. Medyo natagalan kami sa immigration, more than 2 hours. Ang gandang mga building, oh. May big bus, ha, na, oh, Budapest. Maganda, no? Makasakay tayo niyan? Big bus, oh, open air. Ah, hindi kasama? People of the Philippines. Huh? Yan. Okay, we're going down. Baba tayo? Okay. Okay. We're going down the subway.